What nonsense? What's the meaning of this? Do it now. Call your father fast, please. I don't have time. Nonsense. So the next time you know disrespect me. What's the meaning of that? I tell you something, you listen to me. Nonsense. What is keeping you now?
Baby, I'm coming.
What's that? Don't open it. Don't open it up. Don't. Who told you to open it? You opened it. Oma, you have killed me. You have killed me. Take everything. Take everything. It's all yours. Baby, take everything, Everything is all yours. Have everything. It's all yours. Take it. Take everything, it's all yours. Oma.
Tipega.
Did you realize anything?
Yes. I don't know who I've been for the past 8 months now. Thank you so much. Thank you for saving me. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. How do I reward you? How?
My mission here is completed. Have a nice day.
Who are you? Hello, Daddy. Dad, please, I'm not fine. Please, can you just send any driver to come and pick me up, please? Yes. Oh, okay. I'll be waiting. I'm by that transformer in Venice layout. Yes, Dad, please.